Hello everyone. Today I will be reviewing the first batch of the UFO footage from the files released by the Donald Trump administration on May the 8th, right? So for me it's kind of today. For you, I guess it's me yesterday. Uh, I guess we could start. I was afraid it'll be a nothing burger, but looks like it's not really just a nothing burger. So um, this is the website, world.gov UFO. I decided that in the video I will cover all the videos, like most of the photos, but not all of the documents because there's just too many of them. I couldn't, will not be able to go through all of them in one video, and I couldn't read that fast. I haven't read them right. So as you see, there are 17 pages here. In the first page, I think there's not a single video. There is only documents. You could download each of them. Yeah, and have a look what that. It's FBI reports. Public reports concerning unidentified flying objects and flying discs documented between June 1947 and July 1968. The records include high-profile incidents, photographic evidence from sites like Oak Ridge, TN, I don't know what's TN, and technical proposals regarding potential propulsion system. Additional topics include convention programs, researcher accounts, and exclusive media coverage from the period. This file is partially posted in FBI Vault with more redactions and some pages missing. Okay. So again, if there's photos inside, I'm probably not gonna see them. Well, I'll just wait till other people find something good. There's enough photos and videos already here. More FBI reports on page 2. Memorandum and correspondence, air material command. Okay. This is from the military. NASA report. This is a transcript of the conversation from Gemini 7 mission. And this is audio. So yeah, it's 6 minutes. I mean, you could
Jelly Control here again. Earlier in the flight, you'll recall at the start of the second revolution, we had a reference to several objects that the crew spotted. This was in the area of Antigua. Due to a mechanical breakdown, we did not have that portion of the tape available for you. This was a line breakdown between Building 30 and our news center in Building 6.
So this is actually just a comment about the real conversation. The real conversation starts later, but it's hard to hear what he's saying. He's talking about some lights which they saw. I don't know, there is no video, so...
Looks like hundreds of little particles going by from west out about 3 to 4 miles.
Understand you have many small particles going by on the left. At what distance?
4 miles. Orange, looks like perhaps a vehicle that's disintegrated.
Roger, understand they're about 3 to 4 miles away.
They're past now, they're going to polar orbit.
Roger, and understand they were about 3 to 4 miles away.
Fine. No further.
Roger.
Well, okay, so that's kind of type of exchange they had. So there's not that much information here. It's hard to understand anything about the nature of this object they have saw. So yeah, I don't know what to do with it, right? But it's kind of interesting, and it's just entertaining to listen to the conversation of actual astronauts with Houston. Yeah. This is more documents. More documents, summaries. What is this? Another memorandum or something. Another FBI memorandum. And mission reports. Iraq, Syria, yeah. The hotspots for UFO. Okay. More mission reports from Middle East. Yeah, more mission reports. Email correspondence. Mission report. Range folder. Actually, I don't know what this terminology means. But it's also a document. Yeah. So, it's also a report about UFO sightings, basically, from the military. And here on page 8, if you want to remember, we have, I think, the first video. So there is a video description on the left. They say it's a possible missile. Wow, yeah. Yeah, at least there is a trail behind it. I don't know whether it's just air or it's indeed exhaust. So yeah, but there's no, I don't know, stabilizers. So yeah, I don't know, not clear. But if if they say it could be a missile, I guess we should dismiss it. Okay, what's here next? It's a photo. It's something too small. Hard to interpret it. Okay. Next page. There's just literally only videos and photos here. Okay. Actually, could we only get a full screen? Oh. Something is flying over the water. Is it a reflection? So look, they say for some reason it could be Su-27 or Su-35. So they think it's a fighter jet. I don't know how they could identify it. I think just what will be happening here is a lot of this footage will be taken from very big distances, and even fighter jets will look like dots on it. And the fact that they were not able to identify it doesn't mean it's, anomalous. Yes. No, okay, let's just move on. At 5-second mark, the video depicts an object moving from right to left across the top right quarter of the sensor field of view. Let's see. Oh, wow. That was fast. Do you see it? I don't know whether I could stop here. Oh, no, I'm too slow. Ah, missed it. Yeah, here it is. You see? Just one frame and then it disappears. Here it is. I don't know, looks like a metallic disc or something. Yeah. Very weird. Okay, 2 frames maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Could it also be a missile? Hard to tell. Okay. Let's continue. Syria. So that's post number 2, number 3, Iraq, right? What does it say? Bottom left to top right. 6 seconds. Okay. Ah, here it is. Whoa. That's clear, quite clear. Yeah, but I don't know. It doesn't move that fast. So could it be just an air balloon in the infrared light? Yes, I don't know. It seems like it looks like Iraqi orb. It's similar to Iraqi orb. And also, yeah, I found something for you. So you know, there's a new type of drone, yeah, which flies like this. It looks spherical. So that's what the Iraqi orb could be. Just a new drone. The military probably had it before. So, well, it's possible that it's something like this. I don't know. Okay, let's continue. Number 4. United Arab Emirates. An area of contrast remains generally within the top left quarter of the display. Okay, it's... Okay, they don't explain what it is. Let's go. Ah, these 3 dots. Very little. Well, not enough resolution to see what it is, unfortunately. Oh, it's speed out. Speed up. I don't know. Yeah, that's all. It's lost. Yeah. It's not like I know what it is, but what if it's something benign? Yeah, I don't know. But we need to understand that if they classified as UAP, this means they probably ruled out kind of, well, simple things like aircraft or something. Yeah, I don't know. Another one. Oh, this is long. When it starts, 1 minute 55 seconds it starts. Just Scroll. Okay. Oh, wait, no, I saw something? No? No. Oh, I see it. It's over here. Here it's flying. Oh, it's turning. So that means it's probably not a missile. It's turning again. So it looks like just a dot. Yeah, but it was kind of flying fast. So it doesn't seem like a bird. And why would they even be distracted by a bird? Yeah, no, I don't know what it is. The problem with all the small dots, like I don't know how they look not in the infrared. Could they be just drones? Just kind of hard to declare it, actual, alien technology or anything like this. Well, okay. Greece. Okay. So here we have infrared, shortwave infrared, and electro-optical. So suppose the electro-optical footage on the right and infrared on the left. And the observer also reported that the UAP was only detectable via shortwave infrared. So are you telling me it will be what, invisible to human eye? How is it possible? Oh, give me a second. Make the full screen. Oh, I see it on the right. And nothing here. Let's zoom in. Is it the same cloud? Yes. And the object is literally not here. So wait, so let me see. So on the left should be infrared. But they say it's only visible infrared. So infrared is on the right. Strange. There's something wrong. They made a mistake. Either here or here. Which footage is more likely infrared? I don't know. And what's more likely? An object not visible to human eye emit heat signature like this, or the other way around. The object which looks like this to human eye doesn't emit any heat at all. Yeah, I don't know, it's both unlikely. But if we believe the reporter, and I just assume that they made a mistake here, and there's an optical footage on the left, the object is invisible. What does it mean? It's transparent, like it's made of glass. Just think about it. It means that it doesn't have any conducting materials in it. No metals. What it could be, an air balloon, transparent air balloon. I don't know. But you still can see an air balloon to some degree, and there's just nothing here. You know what? It's also possible that the object is just really small, and because that we don't see it, but it has a heat signature. Like, for example, imagine a fighter jet's engine. Yeah, but it's not a really fighter jet. Hmm. Will it do something crazy in the end? No. Ah, they just switch sensor again. And now it's gone. Ah, because it's back to visible light or what? Okay, not clear. But this is the most curious so far, because they give us some extra information. Like, if it's not visible in some parts of the spectrum, it's hard to explain. Yeah, it's not that easy to dismiss. Okay. That was Greece, right? Next. Okay, consisting of an object with vertical pole or a bar attached to the bottom of the object. The observer also reported that the UP may instead be a reflection from an object in the water. Okay, so it's above the water. Let's go. Well, it looks like the previous one, except for the previous one was in the sky, and this is water. So this might be reflection beneath it. Yeah, I don't know. Inverted teardrops. Yeah, I mean, we also need to take into account that this infrared footage is always counterintuitive. Some, normally looking objects with big heat signature will look like a ball, right, or something, because it's shine really bright. Yeah, I don't know. Well, at least it didn't jump with enormous speed. Syria. Okay, an accompanying mission report described the UP as consisting of misshapen and uneven ball of white light, and reported that a light glare halo effect occurred at the top of the FMEV feed. Don't know what's FMEV feed. Wow, have you seen it? One more time. I'll pause. Here it is. It's like a red oval. I don't know, ellipsoid, and it's just jumping like this. Look, there's another shot of it here. And here you see it appears out of nowhere. It was like it clearly, blurred into color. When you say deep to color, I don't know. It was just nothing here, and then it appeared and disappeared again, and you make like a zigzag turn here, and now it's here, and now it's here, and then it's gone. I don't see any halo. I don't know. This was, yeah, this was like the most convincing so far. Look, I don't know what it is. It's clearly not just, man-made. It's not a drone. Nothing could do something like this. I think you know what it could be? It could be a glitch of the equipment or something. Some, I don't know, EMP, right? Electromagnetic wave just coming in from somewhere, some strong EMP blast somewhere nearby, like a lightning strike, and it induced some raw currents in the equipment, and it when the video got reflected like this. So what's important is to rule out the glitch of the equipment with such thing, but it's very strange. So it moves like this. Yeah, this is quite impressive. Yeah. This is the best so far. Another Syria footage. It's the same. Maybe different angle or different apparatus. Oh, what is this? Some sort of glare, indeed. That's what they were talking about in the previous description. Just in two different videos. Halo. Yeah, this is very strange. Maybe that's indeed like what happened. There was like a lightning strike or like a ball lightning there, and that created this kind of halo glare, and also induced, some currents in the equipment and led to this blinking. That's like my working hypothesis, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not confident in any of it. It's very bizarre. That's very curious footage. This two are very interesting. It's another one like this. Two semi-transparent, irregularly shaped orange areas overlay the background imagery. Persist for less than 2 seconds each. Oh wait, what? It looks like this? Oh, so it moved from here to here? I don't understand. The footage is black and white. So what can be orange there? Like, I don't understand how this device works. Like, what exactly can make it display orange color? I mean, like functionally. What does it even mean? Like, I think it has to be a glitch. Look, how does it appear instantaneously and then just move to the left? Wait, come on. Let's see, frame by frame. It just stays here and then jumps. Is there anything left here? It's just one frame. And it's kind of transparent. No. If it's not a glitch, that's unexplainable. Yeah, but I think it has to be some sort of glitch. Why is it orange? Like, is it an object out there in reality? Just doesn't look like that at all. Well, it's truly mind-boggling. Yeah, this is the craziest so far if it's not a glitch. Okay. Another grease. Oh, long one. Bottom of screen. Horizontally. Okay. Describe the UAP as flying near the surface of the ocean and making multiple 90-degree turns at approximately 80 miles per hour. This is like 4 times faster than a bird. Oh, here it is. Wow. Okay, this footage is long, I don't know. But not much is happening, right? It's just this light jumping around. We already saw something like this. I don't know how to interpret it, yeah. Okay. Switching modes doesn't help. Okay. Grease, one more grease. Small and circular. Flying near the surface of the ocean toward land. Okay. This is a short one. Here it is. Yeah, looks like another Iraqi orb. That's all. Lost. Unclear what happened. Middle East. The erratic movement above the water. Also quite long, 2 minutes. I don't see it. Oh, wait. Here it is. Again, the same lightning orb. Yeah. No, I think there is a certain pattern here, yeah. I think it's the same phenomenon. We just don't understand it. Oh, it stopped. But actually, it's strange. So it's not like a fighter jet. Yeah, very mysterious. And it's kind of changing shape. Kind of glowing. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know what to say. Have no idea. At least. 9 seconds. Exit from top left quarter. Okay. Oh, here it is. Well, there's a trail behind it. So maybe it's a missile. But why? Who would? There's no. The circumstances aren't clear. Is like a battle going on there? If it's not, then why are the missiles there? Oh, which one we were watching? This? No, I forgot. This what we just watched. Next one. No description. What? 8-pointed star with arms of alternating lengths? No way. What? Oh wow. It's really big here. I mean, it's leaving a trail behind even. What? Well, okay. Wait, what is this? What is this shadow? Is it is it part of the clouds or what? Looks like a ghost. What? I don't understand. Maybe I don't understand how this device works. Yeah, could it be literally the drone which I was talking about? This one, the sphere. But why is it leaving trail? I mean, it could be a drone with a jet engine, too. But I don't know. Also, to what degree we are certain that these edges, arms are actually real? It's not optical illusion. Like, think about how do you see the sun, right? You see like this, right? You see this rays, right? But that's just how your eye acts when it's oversaturated. So maybe that's how the sensor works. You see, it's kind of similar. But I'm not sure. I don't know. And also, why they don't describe this shadow? It's like the shadow is just normal. That's just not anomalous at all. It's just how the thing works. Yeah. No, this is very interesting. I don't know what it could be. I bet for this drone, but I can only stretch it that far. Well, which one it was? This one? No. Okay. Well, let's see. Wait, I haven't saw anything. Seen anything? Left across the corner of the frame, from right to left, right edge of the screen. Ah, I see, it's here. So it's moving fast. I don't understand. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. Which it was. Middle East, Arabian Gulf, Arabian Gulf. That's what you saw. Next one. Okay. A small thermal signature. Ah, again, the same light. Mm-hmm. No, I see. Is it what? Oh, 4 minutes. No comments. Hmm. Okay, so not very high quality, not very good resolution, as usual. Anything better here? No, it's like this all the way through. And it's only getting worse. No, we'll not be able to figure out anything here. The last one here. No description. Left to right, okay. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's fine. They looped it, by the way, so it's the same. Well, I mean, judging by the scale, it moves fast. So it's like a plane, at least, at least a plane, but doesn't look like a plane. Wow. Huh. And it's like Africa. Yeah, it's not clear, but I saw something before. Don't know what it is. More videos. Okay. Mm-hmm. It starts at 30 seconds. Oh, there's even audio here, but they're saying audio is unrelated. Okay, 30 seconds. Oh, here we go. The same light. Well, the same behavior. Yeah. Weird. No description. Oh, it's locked on it. Okay, what? Are we gonna shut it down? It's blurry, hard to see. Oh, it's getting better. Oh, oh, wow, that's actually starting to show some details. Wow. Oh, it's gone. No, go back. Here. Here. Yeah, this is the cleanest so far. Yeah, it doesn't look like a plane. Maybe it's like a special drone. Yeah, but it's very weird shape. What can it be? Unfortunately, they redacted this part. Mm, yeah, that's. I mean, I hope that maybe somebody who has some experience with this kind of drones will be able to identify that. It's just like it's interesting that the military were not able to identify that. So yeah, that's adds some credibility. Adds some chances that it's legit. Oi. Middle East. Oh. Wait, which was this? Oh. This looks like a big one. Football-shaped body with 3 radial projections. Wow. It's like a jellyfish. I don't know why they call it football. It looks like a jellyfish. Maybe it's an air balloon of this weird shape. I don't know. At least it's not moving very fast. No. If it's an air balloon, why it's staying like this on such a wind? Is it wind? Is it moved by wind? Japan. 3 distinct areas of contrast. Okay. Oh, there's 1, there's 2. Oh, and they're together now? Well, I feel like that's very far away. That's the problem. It could be anything. So it's following them. No, I don't know. It could be anything because it could be just even fighter jets or something. But I unlikely. I don't know. Maybe they're close to each other or they're just actually far apart and just one after another behind each other. I don't know. Yeah. In the PECOM. No description. Another Iraqi orb. Doing the same maneuvers. Oh, it's flying over these wind turbines. Turning back. You made it turn. Flying back. Why is it flying back and forth? Yeah, that's another thing. Why is it flying like that? What is it doing? Isn't it kind of stupid? North America. The sensor tracked the initial area of interest. Okay. Okay. Okay, so by the way, this is just a normal craft. This is just a Reaper drone. Yeah, that's a Reaper drone. And this is our UFO. Oh, wow. It's two spheres with what, like a lightning between them? This is weird. It kind of, double sphere rules out this drone, right? Why would these two drones hang next to each other like this? Doesn't make sense. This is better than just flying light. Just two lights next to each other kind of increases the anomalous status. Oh, he zoom in. Wow. That was a nice shot. Wait, give me a second. Yeah, it was zoomed in. Look. So they're glowing, from the inside. So basically, there's black spheres with holes inside them, right? and clearly, you know, one on the bottom, one on the right, one on the left, one in front. So probably holes from all sides and hot inside. So you know what? It actually looks kind of exactly like this drone. Like it would have some heat signature in, you know, coming from inside, because the engines will be hot to some degree, but not, I'm not sure it'll be that hot. Yeah, I don't know how hot they should be. This seems like this interior is way more like in emit way more heat than the surface. Yeah, but it's kind of clean one. I wonder what other people will say. Will they also agree that this is spherical drones? But why is it these two drones then join each other like this? Doesn't make sense. What's gonna happen? Oh wait, you see the disentangled. Uh, hmm. Well, that was a good one. Okay, now there's photos. Just a photo. The same from another angle. Yeah, just black object. I don't know. It could be anything. It just means that it doesn't emit heat or something, right? The same. Okay, they have a bunch of photos of the same object, I guess. Yeah, they're all numbered by letter A. So B, I assume it's something else. The object far away. The same. Oh, it doubled. Yeah, it doubled. Okay. Yeah, the same. Yeah, I don't know. That's from far away. Okay, so bunch of photos like this in the United States. And now we finally have the moon. The moon, okay. It's a report. The pilot of the lunar module, astronaut Alan Bean, described observing particles and flashes of light sailing off in space via the onboard alignment optical telescope. He characterized this phenomenon as escaping the moon. This is really anomalous. What the hell could be escaping the moon? I understand if there's like a meteorite or something. Well, there has no atmosphere, but yeah, I don't know. Well, I don't know whether you want to read it. Yeah, probably you want, yeah, but I will not, right? I mean, I saw enough. If he's describing as escaping the moon, that's anomalous. I don't know anything which could do it. Like, why? Is it like some gas coming out of the moon surface? What? Why? There's no volcanic activities there. This is kind of weird. Okay, let's open maybe. Accept. When you look out the AOT in dark quadrant, you can see these lights, particles of light, flashes of light just seem to come from, in this case, I'm looking quadrant 1, which is left one. It's coming from behind me in the left and then just sailing off in space. I was thinking that dropping from my water boiler, but it looks like some of those things are escaping the moon. They really haul out of here and just press off on the stars. Oh my god. Just imagine that. It just, you on a moon mission and you just report something like this. Crazy. Yeah, maybe it's hallucinations, of course, but it looks like many astronauts there saw them. No, it's, yeah, there's some alien activity, I guess. Legit alien activity. I don't know. Another report. Common, yeah. Report observing very bright particles of fragments drifting and tumbling near the spacecraft as it maneuvered. Lunar module pilot described the phenomenon as looking like the 4th of July. The astronauts speculated that the phenomenon may be attributable to ice or paint fragments dislodging from a separate component of spacecraft, but the characterized assessment is wild guess. Okay, so you think it's ice falling off. Okay, so I don't know. I haven't been there. I haven't seen it. Okay, so I don't know. Oh, technical crew briefing. I mean, this will be something huge. So crew briefing for science. This is even more technical. They're discussing some X-ray experiment results about the gamma ray background for of the sky. So I don't know. It's like that's not UFO, right? Another technical debriefing. Oh, photos. Oh, finally. This archival photograph depicts the lunar surface as viewed from the landing site of Apollo 12. This image features a highlighted area of interest slightly to the right of the vertical axis of the frame, above the horizon, in which undefined phenomena are visible. What? Hey, could we make it big? Oh, I can't. But the thing is, what it is. Yeah, could it be like an asteroid falling on the moon in, like, how do you call it, with long exposure, just captured it while falling. If it's falling fast, imagine it's falling really fast. So the camera captures, the light coming from all its positions, intermediate positions. So maybe it's an asteroid. I don't know, hard to tell. Oh, where did we stop? Ah, here. Okay. Oh, there's more of this. Landing sites Apollo 12. Area 1, Area 2. Some dots. Is it the slides which they have reported? Yeah, I don't see anything here, honestly. Here I see only dots. But isn't it just stars? I don't understand. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Oh, wow. This is bigger. Yeah, so it's a light. I assume they're taking photos but because it's coming up. And then it's, it's crazy, right? Oh, wait, I missed. Oh, wait. Oh, that's... Yeah, okay, there's 3 dots here. So this is not an asteroid, this is not a star. Yeah, okay, look, this is very difficult to explain. Because it has 3 dots together. So that's... yeah, I don't know what it can be. So it's not... Yeah, it's not an asteroid. Yeah, I guess it... Yeah. It is truly unexplained. I think it's an alien spacecraft. Well, I don't know. What can it be? Wait, which one we clicked? This one. Oh, wow. Now there's ton of them. Yeah, look, this one is slightly to the side. So this rules out the possibility that it's just, camera capturing different moments of asteroid falling. Kind of together in one shot. So yeah, this looks like it's going up. Yeah, it's bizarre. So this means that those lights which they have were talking about are not hallucinations. Oh wow, another 3 dots. Like a triangle. But I don't know, like how does it know it's not stars? Maybe because they were moving. There is no consensus about the nature of the anomaly. I don't even see how to be able to see it. I don't see anything like this without zoom. You clicked all of them, right? Yes, so yes. Okay, more reports, PDFs. So, object was a bright light of enormous intensity and approached over the horizon to the east at a great speed and much higher altitude. Several pictures were taken of the craft making 90-degree turns, doing corkscrews and maneuvering in circles at great rates of speed. Objects was reported resembling a bullet in flight. Visual estimation of the contrails were 100,000 feet, which was too high to leave contrails by ordinary aircraft. Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's... I wish I would see those photos. You mean they're like in the report? What? If I click, they're not there, right? Of course no. I missed this. High altitude, high speed aircraft. Lights, controls, and noise. Okay. Georgia. And another report. Potentially Russians. Okay. Okay. What? Look, ufologists of Turkmenistan has gained a positive reputation as a reliable partner for the United States in Turkmenistan, to the bemusement of the cable's author in the build-up of civil society organizations within the country. The reputation has become earned because everyone in Turkmenistan apparently is interested in UFOs. Wow. Okay. Well, no photos here. Mexico. So PDF, okay. Alien corpses. Yeah, it's probably fake. Orbs. Reports of orbs. After searching the area with help, they found a super hot orb hovering over the ground. The orb is reported to have traveled for 20 miles at a speed too fast for the helicopter in pursuit. An additional swarm of lights was seen moving in all directions. A total of 4 or 5 additional orbs were seen shortly thereafter for a short time, flaring up and then down. This pattern of 4 or 5 orbs flaring up then down continued over the next 30 minutes across the area. It's happened at US military facility. I don't know. It could be a ball lightning, for example. It can be just a ball lightning, but I don't know. It's like I have to see it, right? Sketch. They draw like an object based on witnesses' report. Okay. Metallic and bronze in color. Okay, another report, more reports, and so on. Metallic gray, bright light over the horizon. Okay, so we're done. This is the end. So, well, I mean, there was some good photos and videos here. I think what was the most convincing, the moon ones with triangle especially. That's very good evidence. I don't know anything which could explain that. What else? The invisible one, however, okay, potentially could be, transparent air balloon, something very small, very far, very hot. Well, the star, it's kind of weird, but probably drawn. The double object, yes, that's the doubled object, yeah, maybe a pair of drones, but why would they stick together? So yeah, triple light, maybe. All this traveling lights, we saw a lot of them. Not clear what they are, but there is some pattern. So the pattern repeats. This means at some point we'll probably figure this out, whether it's truly new physics or what, or it's just something simple like a stupid drone, like a stupid bird. Well, unlikely it's a bird. Like a ball lightning. Yeah, I don't know. Ball lightning is kind of rare, but maybe that's what we see. Yeah, and also this red thing flying zigzag. If it's not a glitch, that's unexplainable. Yeah, I just think it's probably a glitch. And this orange blob, what else it could be? But not that empty release. Of course, I was expecting more, but I don't know. I'll certainly follow this topic, and I'll post another video as soon as there's next batch released. Yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to explain any of the footages. Only some couple of hypotheses, none of them very convincing. So, yeah, I don't know. And I guess that's all. That's all for today. Yeah, I'm really curious about that. Hopefully, we'll get some really good evidence. Yeah, the moon one is already good. I'm eager to see what people on Twitter will say. Yeah, okay. See you next time.